Today we're going to be tackling under the cabinet. It's pretty rough under there, water damage just from 23 years of being used and abused. So I'm going to be cleaning out all of my supplies, cleaning out the bottom surface, scraping up any debris that might be really stuck on there, and then I'm going to be laying a adhesive print cabinet liner. So we'll see how it goes. So I got everything sprayed, wiped down, scraped up. Right now it's a pretty smooth surface. All the rough edges that were bubbling up from previous water damage have been roughed down to the bare, well, MDF, if you will, for the cabinets. So right now I'm just gonna let it dry for a few minutes from my last cleaning, and then we're gonna start laying the cabinet liner. All right, so I've opened up the drawer liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it into the cabinet floor and see where we have to cut. An inexpensive fix using some cabinet liner, and it looks great. Took a little bit of time, but the outcome is awesome. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a little bit something with these cabinets soon. They need a little bit of TLC. But thanks for watching.